Hello viewers, this is a presentation on affordable enterprise resource planning systems. By way of introduction, my name is Nicholas Kihara from University of Salford, Manchester. I'm currently undertaking Master's Information System Management program. I have 20 years experience in information technology across banking, security, manufacturing, industries, and I'm the CIO of Hako Industries, a leading East African manufacturing company that produces home care and personal care products. I have successfully delivered SAP, Oracle, Sage ERP systems in various companies. I have also delivered networking using VSAT, wireless, and fiber technologies. I have also delivered mobile banking applications for several banks in Kenya. This video has a theme of affordable ERP systems in line with the lecture on enterprise resource planning systems. Kindly follow my blog indicated in the last slide of this presentation. I will be talking about four things in this presentation. The first thing being evolution of ERP. Then we will look at top mid-size ERP systems. Then 10 factors for choosing software as a service. Then we'll finally look at the open source ERPs that are available in the market. And there are some references you shall be looking at the end. To start off with the evolution, enterprise resource planning evolved during 1990s from material requirement planning package for manufacturing companies to systems that enable entire enterprise to streamline and integrate virtually all operations and functions for order processing to vendor and customer relationship management. You can read this much more from the articles which are referred. In the last 15 years, new technologies have pushed enterprises, both large and small, to rethink their process management with respect to new dynamics created by changing landscape. Implementing an ERP is a step many businesses are taking to help organize and optimize the way they do business. Enterprise resource planning systems are now offered on cloud under the software as a service model. For small and medium-sized enterprises, this is considered the best option to take advantage of capabilities of an ERP system without the investment and management costs associated with on-premise model. Moving on, we can look at the comparison of various ERP systems. Starting with cloud ERP, these are described as systems offered on cloud and a software as a service model. Statistics show that 20% of organizations have adopted this particular model. It is also the best option for small to medium-sized enterprises, since in the short term, the costs are lower compared to on-premise. The other ERP system is on-premise. On-premise is deployed in most companies and it's a popular choice among many organizations. While this software is typically deployed in physical location in organizations itself, it may not always be hosted there. Some organizations may be hosting on-premise in the cloud. Studies also show that 37% of companies are choosing this model. The other model of operation is the hybrid ERP. In hybrid cloud scenario, organization hosts some application on-premise or in a private cloud and others in the public cloud, making it hybrid between the on-premise and cloud. However, only 9% of organizations choose this particular model. Let's now look at the top mid-size ERP companies. Gartner has released front runners for enterprise resource planning, which is dated October 2017. And this shows that NetSuite, SAP Business One, Oracle, JD Edwards, SAP ERP and Microsoft Dynamics are actually leading, and they are closely followed by Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle ERP Cloud, and the other ones follow as below. There are many factors which are leading organizations to choose software as a service, but software as a service is gaining increasing acceptance and is thereby changing how enterprises planning systems are delivered and consumed. Research done by Johansson shows that costs concerns, data security, system availability were perceived by experts as the most important factors in customer perspective for adopting ERP in a software as a service delivery. The other ones follow closely: usability, implementation, ubiquity, flexibility, compatibility, analytics, and you will see best practice is actually at the bottom. So costs is a major factor when choosing software as a service. Let's now move on to looking at the open source ERPs. Open source ERPs are currently trending regardless the size of organization. This is mainly due to the implementation success rate gained over the recent years, an added advantage users will get compared to the commercial ERP systems. Odoo leads the way and was earlier known as Open ERP, but has since changed its name to Odoo. Odoo is an open source software that is available in 3 versions, 2 of which are on-premise, while the other is hosted in the cloud. More than 14,300 apps are available thanks to multiple developers made by Odoo South Africa and its community. Research has shown, and Ganesh did a research on open source ERPs where he compared the open source ERPs and the commercial ERPs, and this is a feedback he got from the research that was undertaken. There are 5 features which were compared, and the 5 features are features and business applications, market positioning, productivity, ergonomic and ease of use, customization and flexibility, technical quality, and total cost of ownership. Out of all this, you will see that the Open ERP, which is Odoo, was at 84% when you look at the features. If you compare that to the next closest was SAP, which was at 78.9, which is really good, meaning it is performing very well. When you look at the market position is the only area which Odoo needs to focus on or concentrate on, as it was rated at 47% and SAP 100%, Microsoft Dynamics at 94.75. On productivity, once again, Open ERP came at 82.6 compared to the closest rival, which was SAP at 74%. Customization and flexibility, 85.2 compared to SAP at 69.6%. Technical quality, 78.6, again compared to its closest rival, 75.3 SAP. Total cost of ownership, of course, again, Open ERP takes it home at 96.16% compared to SAP, which was 62.83. If you compare all these statistics and the research feedback from Microsoft Dynamics and Open Bravo and SAP, Open ERP, which is Odoo, still comes very close. But again, as mentioned, the area of concern, the main area where Open ERP or Odoo, as known, needs to concentrate is how to improve its market position. Open ERP should make serious effort to make the product clearly visible to its users across all dimensions, from small to medium to large scale industries which are widely spread across the globe. These are the references that I have looked at and are used in this particular document. You might take an interest and read some of these documents, and you will see why many companies are adopting open source ERP. Thank you, and I would wish you actually look at my blog, which is https nicolaskihara.wix.com/salford/blog. I thank you and have a good day. Thank you. Bye.